Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Sampath and I'm part of the product team here at Waves. I'm delighted to be presenting today on behalf of the product team. I'd like to welcome you to the KickOff meeting. I trust that you all are enticed to know about the crucial year-long project that we've been working on and also get to know each other, and we will keep the questions for the end of the presentation. I bet you're all excited to know about the product launch, and we as well are excited to be here. Myself, Sampath, and I also have the team. Mona, Shiva, Rishi, and Raj. We are part of the product team. And also, how can you reach us? You can reach us at productteam@wavescompany.com. I would like to present the main agenda for today, and that would be the project insights, the technical project details, which will cover the key nitty-gritties of the product that we're about to showcase. Also, the project outcomes, the product timeline, and as well as the next steps that we anticipate to discuss with you and plan further. So the reason we are here today is to discuss about a key problem that the world is facing right now. And you'd be surprised to know that over 2 billion people live in water-stressed countries, and which is expected to grow ever more if not dealt right now. Many people have tried that, and many companies have tried that, but the solution seems to be far-fetched. Many reasons: political, personal, societal, but end of the day, people are getting far from access to drinkable water. Today, we are here to change that, and we believe the research we have done will help us do that. So, as we all know, water is a crucial part of our everyday life. From digestion to water removal, water plays a crucial role, and there is not a day that we go by without having a sip of water. And to be on the fact, an average person needs a couple of gallons of water every day just to survive. And as we discussed, the main problem is access to clean drinking water, and we believe we found a solution for that. And how we found it is through the sheer research that we have done. And what we have found from the research is that clean drinking water should not be a privilege. It is a basic need. We, with the number of water bottles and the several types of water purifier methods that we have right now, they are all not affordable, and their reach is very limited. Right now, 771 million people don't have water to drink, and this comes from WHO and UNICEF, the world-renowned agencies. So our research takes cues from what's already there and what has already been practiced or what has already been researched to advance our findings. So our team has conducted research to identify the key needs of the people who have a prolonged need for safe drinkable water or are situated in areas prone to frequent drought and contaminated underground sources. So the three key areas that we identified were lack of affordable solutions, lack of access to water sources, lack of information about contaminants in the water. So our solution comes from all the research that we did, and the research points us to a safer drinking water through carbon filtration. So our product is a state-of-the-art charcoal activated water purifier, and it works by superheating the elements in the charcoal. There is science backing this, and there is our team backing that. Activated charcoal makes such great material for water filters because it is natural and effective at removing many toxins from the water, such as volatile organic compounds and chlorine, one of the main pollutants, and also the loss of chemicals or the minerals that are already present in the water, which are crucial for human growth. So our product comes from what we have discussed about the charcoal activation. So we took the solution or the process and confined it to fit in a product that can hold the filtration system as well as be portable and affordable at the same time. It is completely natural, made from what's available in the nature, and it's safer at the same time. We believe the outcomes of the product would be to make the water drinkable. We expect up to 99.99%, and also it does not take away the key essential minerals that are present in the water. And also it improves the flavor. Nobody likes to drink stale water, so it keeps the original taste. Also, it's economical to manufacture. So when we think about a business perspective, this is a key term to look at. And also, it's easy to maintain or easy to clean. And as we got to know about the product and the research behind it, now is the time to discuss about the business and the business of manufacturing it. So we anticipate the product to be in 5 phases: the phase 1, phase 2, followed up till phase 5. Each phase is associated with a specific team as well as a specific function or the specific business aspect. From phase 1 to the procurement till phase 5 to distribution and marketing, we take key insights into building a whole ecosystem of product line. The success outcomes, while our goal is to make the world a better place, at the same time we also want to find a solution that provides us a substantial goodwill and also enables our company to reach a broader audience. We believe in economics of scale, which is when you make something more at a price point that's affordable for everyone, it helps us reach a mass audience, and which we believe will provide the much needed impactful audience that our company needs. And also it will help us reach a broader market around the world. We as a team believe that FLOS, the water filtering solution system that we named, will provide an affordable and safer approach to purifying drinking water and close the bridge to gaining access to drinkable water. Our product will not only cherish the society, but also form a business perspective that will amplify the core values of our company. In conclusion, we need your support to sponsor, finance, and market the products. And we as a team at Waves seek to provide any additional details and consider feedback and take questions regarding the product and its purpose, specifically the plan to manufacture, launch, and market the product FLOS. Thank you.